Hello and welcome to another fun-filled episode of Resto-Rob. Today's episode is a tool haul, obviously. Some Habitat for Humanity things, and then some auction items that I've picked up. So this is going to be my last tool haul for a while. I'm going to take a break, and I need to get back to restoring some things. So look forward. Hopefully, you can look forward to me doing some restorations instead of collectorations. Instead of collecting things, let's restore some of the stuff we've got and appreciate it. So, I'm overflowing on a lot of things right now, so I really need to put a kibosh on that. And then let's clean up some of these things and put them to good use. So sit back, relax, and let's take a quick look at what I've picked up in this tool haul. So here are the goodies we just recently picked up. Here's a Fairmount 11/16 by, I want to say 5/8. An advertising screwdriver. A mini screwdriver. A Velcheck. Made in USA electrolyte. Here's electrolyte battery wrench, 1400, 5/8 or 9/16. How cool is that? For 25 cents, we picked up this Red Devil scraper with a blade. We got this vintage Bright Star 565. I don't know if it works yet, but they just look cool. Chesco, Allen key. Needs to be de-rusted, but overall it's not bad. Got a whole bunch of Craftsman Allen keys, so we'll be making a set out of these. I have a whole bunch in a pile. Some of these are V series. Here's a Cornwell 1/4-inch drive T-bar. We got this Allen, but it's got the ball tents in it for the hex drive sockets. Another Craftsman V series. Got some an Apex. This is probably number 3, if not number 4. And then we've got a Yankee, or what could be, yep, this is a genuine Yankee flat blade for the push drill. Not quite sure what brand this punch is. Looks like it's been ground down, but so here's a little fancy-dancy toolkit we got, made in Hong Kong. But everything but one flat blade. Oh, that's too big. But cool little tiny fun set. Probably not worth anything, but made in Hong Kong. Little 1/4-inch drive. And some of these bits. So, yeah. What's that say? Taiwan. 3/8 drive. Now this came in this little set came as one auction item. So you probably understand why it was purchased. Yeah, Bonnie. So here is a snap-on. An older long C Craftsman. It's BE Craftsman. Something 30 seconds. We can't even see. This is another Apex. I think I mentioned before in another video, now this is your elusive 10mm, but in an Apex was a lot of factory. I'm here in Michigan, Flint, where they build, where General Motors is, and a lot of these Apex probably ended up in somebody's pocket from the factory. Because I know a lot of people that have had stuff. But anyway, this doesn't have a brand, but it's part of a T-bar. We have another Long C Craftsman BE, and then this is 11/16. Craftsman 5/8 BE, 5/8 Craftsman Circle H, we have a 1-inch Craftsman Circle H, and a 15/16 Craftsman Circle H. And it came in this putty tray. Harrington Tools, Los Angeles. I don't know if you can see it or not. But I like these trays. This was an auction lot, but if I'm going to dig for tools and they have a putty or a mud tray, I'll grab it and fill it with tools. Because these are always handy when you're doing drywall or whatever else you want to do. So this is the next tool lot. We know why we got this one. Yeah, that's 3/4-inch drive. Bonnie extension. That's what, like an 8-inch extension. Here we have a Herbrand Fairmont USA from 3/4 down to Yeah, half inch. Sorry, folks, half-inch drive. Why am I thinking 3/4? Down to 3/8. Here we've got another her brand, Fairmont USA. Here's this big snap-on, 1 inch and 5/16. Here's a her brand, 1 and 5/16. This is a big ass New Britain 1 3/4 chrome, but it's got the New Britain on it. This is big ass. Here we have another her brand, 1 3/8. And this cute little box. It's 49.16. You got it. An SK for a 1/4 inch drive. So, and we also have this wonderful Speedway that I picked up. This was a $2 item. If you've seen my Instagram, you've probably seen this posted. But yeah, $2 for this Buck Rogers style that I definitely am going to clean up and put in the collection. So I'm going to share a quick video of me turning it on. I'm a little nervous, but no guts, no glory. And then next, we got these fabulous Faber erasers. You thought so? Nope. Here's a Cornwell 3/8 swivel sockets. This doesn't even feel like it's even been used much. 3/4. Got this Long C Craftsman 5/8. This is pretty loose. There's another Long C Craftsman in 3/4 that's pretty loose. Probably well used. Okay, I just cleaned it up a little bit. This is her brand, Fremont. Burger King? Probably BK. 7/16 swivel socket. Here we have snap-on 1/2 inch swivel socket. Another Burger King. Okay, this is Swivel adapter, unbranded, except by BK. Ben King, Bill Knight, Bob Kennedy, but no other markings. Here is Snap-on 3/8 marked DDAD. Detroit Diesel. So Cornwell, 1/2 inch. Snap-on 7/16. Here is a right. Um, 7/16. And Cornwell, Detroit Diesel, or Diesel something, or whoever, 9/16. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed the collection of junk that I got. At least we got some Bonnie stuff in this haul. I'm always looking for Bonnie, and got kind of a good collection of Longsea Craftsman going on, so I'll probably have to come up with a video on that. And like I said at the beginning of this, I'm going to kind of slow down on some tool hauls and concentrate on cleaning up what I've got. That is not to say I won't be finding anything else, but right now I need to focus on cleaning some of this stuff up. Anyway, as always, stay safe and check you later. Okay, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this quick tool haul. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the crap I picked up.